Welcome to SG News, the Witness of Truth.
Well, again, as Treasury Secretary, I have...
United States Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent reveals the government is legally considering printing a new $250 bill featuring the face of President Donald Trump.
At least 3 people, including a young child, are dead following a massive Gallagher 5-alarm natural gas explosion and building collapse at a Dallas apartment complex.
U.S. Central Command strongly denies claims broadcasted by Iranian state media that a U.S. military aircraft was destroyed over Iran's Bushehr province.
They're very good negotiators, they're crafty, but in the end...
Donald Trump declares the United States holds all the cards in military leverage, while Vice President J.D. Vance reports progress in diplomatic talks with Tehran.
At least 14 people are reported dead in South Lebanon, and a raid near Beirut kills a woman and 2 children, despite active ceasefire terms.
The United Nations officially adds Israeli and Russian security forces to its global blacklist of parties accused of sexual violence in conflict zones.
Opposition leader Corina Machado calls for immediate U.S.-backed negotiations to secure free presidential elections following the ouster of Nicolas Maduro.
11 ottobre alle ore 18.
Pope Leo XIV unites the global community in a massive prayer for world peace through the rosary.
Dozens of young inmates in Panama receive baptism and confirmation in a historic prison renewal ceremony.
Catholic churches across Madrid remain open overnight for non-stop confessions during a historic apostolic visit by Pope Leo XIV.
You are watching SG News, the Witness of Truth.